Place salt on your doorstep and the next day, and you will not believe the results you will get. In addition to this way of using the salt, placing below the entrance mat of your home, we also have several other ways to use the salt. For one of the ways, we're going to need a line. And we're going to take the top and the bottom off. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Yansho from Singapore. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now let's add salt to a container. And then we insert the lime. And we completed with more salt over the line. We should place this next to the entrance, or even behind the door of your home or business. It is the biggest, responsible for absorbing the bad energies. Now, one way to attract good luck and health. Let's insert salt into a bowl and complete with water, acting directly in the recovery of the mood. In addition to ending stress and anxieties in your home, it is also ideal to place near the entrance of your house and leave for at least a day. Another way is to attract money, love, and health. Insert salt into a plastic bag and store it inside your bag. Salt is fully responsible for ending the bad energies, both in your home and in your business. It also serves to bring luck and abundance to your family. If nothing works and you feel you have no solution for bad luck in your life, this will surely solve once and for all. I hope you have all the desired result. For the use of these tips, tell me later if you got the desired result. The results will be great. You can also store it inside a wardrobe. These various tips will totally change your life. For the last tip, we need to insert salt into a container. Not only serving to attract luck, this also acts directly in the fight against insects. Then we add a whole garlic. After that, we will add bay leaves to the container. It is also ideal to place near the entrance of your house and leave for at least a day. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.